Now this is actually a good size to eat. It's probably gonna bite me. When growing up, we've made turtle soup out of a lot of turtles about this size. They got. We had a storm roll through about half hour ago, 45 minutes or so. I came out here to see what's going on with my old pig pen. Looks like a piece came off. I don't know if that came off today or if it's been down, but you're not gonna believe what the storm drug in. Check this out. Oh, look at that thing. Man, this thing's fast too, look at it. What you doing, buddy? Oh. Now that is funny. We love turtles. I actually rescued a little baby turtle here a couple months ago, and Hayden's got in the house. I don't know if I've shown you guys that. Hayden put an aquarium together and showed all that. But I'm thinking about keeping this thing. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it. I got a little water trough up at the house I'm not using. I usually use for quail, which I'm gonna be needing in a couple weeks. I put a bunch of quail on the incubator. But let's take it up to the house. Let's see if we can get it to eat or something. And I'll tell you guys a little story. I'll tell you a story about these turtles and how you can keep them. You can keep them on a leash. I'll show you guys that. Well, I'm gonna have to try to catch this turtle now. Let's get out of this mess, this pig pen. Man, it's crazy how these pigs can seal off a little water like that and it holds water. It's held water since the pigs have been out for over a year now. So that's awesome. So I got a little pond. I have no idea what this little guy, what the heck, he's trying to bite me. I have no idea what this guy is doing in here, but we found him. I've had turtles for pets pretty much my whole life. I've never really kept a water turtle. This kind of looks like, look at that. This kind of looks like the one that we got in the house. We'll look at it a little bit better. Let's get this water trough cleaned out up here. We'll stick it in there and we'll see if we can get him to eat something. I lost him in there. That thing was a mess. It stinks too. I don't know how long I'll keep him in this little aquarium. Probably not too long. I'll figure something else out. But I think he'd make a cool little pet and a cool little mascot for the channel. We'll have to think of a name for him. But first, let's see if he's hungry. Then I'm going to tell you a little story about how my uncle used to raise a turtle on a leash. And I'll show you how he did it. Let's see if we got a little bit of Arkansas bacon, a little bit of bacon. It's kind of like Canadian bacon off our pig from last year. We'll see if this turtle, if we get the turtle to eat some of it. That's actually pretty cool. I'll put some rocks up in there because turtles like to get out of the water. I made it where it could get up out of the water almost completely without getting out. We'll figure something out. We'll get something bigger for the turtle, but for right now, I'm gonna leave it right in here and see how it does over the next couple of days. Should be fine. It ain't bacon. I bet it finishes that off pretty soon too. Let me get to that story about my uncle. My uncle, growing up, he was an FFA and all that stuff, and he loved animals. He didn't really grow up on a farm or anything like that, but he just loved animals. He's actually a school teacher now, an ag teacher out in Bakersfield, California. But anyways, growing up, they kept the turtle somewhere. I'm not sure where they were living, but I'll show you what they did to keep it on a leash. So what they did growing up, they got a drill, and they actually drilled right into the turtle's shell at the back, right back here, just like that, and put a little hole back there and tied it to a big old string and tied it up to the fence, and it lived like that for a long time. So that's all it is, just drill it right down in there, made them a little leash on it, and kept that turtle for a while. Now, I won't be doing that with the turtle, obviously, but that's what he did. He drilled a hole in the back of the turtle shell, and they put a string to it, a rope, something, and they kept it for years and years. I remember as a little kid seeing that turtle. It was a big old turtle. It wasn't a water turtle or a little box turtle. It was pretty big. I don't know if it was legal what they did, but they did it, and they had it for years. I think they had it for like 15, 20 years, something crazy like that. And it wasn't always on the leash, but when they some point or another, it was on a leash, and that's how they did it. I have no idea if turtles can feel their shell being drilled into. I'm not going to try it. I would imagine so. I don't recommend doing that. That's just a little story from my childhood that I remember them doing to a turtle. I don't recommend. Don't do it. Don't do it. But it can be done. Now this is actually a good size to eat. It's probably going to bite me. When growing up, we've made turtle soup out of a lot of turtles about this size. They got 7 different meats in there, but this is actually a decent size to make some soup out of. It doesn't have a ton of meat, but enough for some turtle soup, and turtle soup is awesome. I have no intentions of making turtle soup, guys, but if I wanted to, this would be the kind of turtle I'd probably use. We got all kinds of different turtles out here in Oklahoma, this being one of them. I think this is one of those ones just like I got in the house. I don't know. What do y'all think? What turtle is this? It's pretty cool though. We'll keep it as a little mascot for a little while. What do you guys think about that? If you guys think that's a good idea, we'll come out here and feed it day to day and just kind of keep up with it. It's kind of about half mean. It wants to bite me right now. I don't blame it. All right, guys, that's all we got. What do you know? Storm brought in a turtle. That's awesome. Sticking back down in here. Well, that's got to be better than the old pigsty back over. That place is nasty. He ain't going to find no fish or anything in there, he might find some frogs or bugs or something like that, but I don't know. That's going to be a little bit better. Maybe we'll get some fish and feed him stuff. What do you guys think about that? Leave me comments down below. What do you think about the turtle? All right, y'all, let me know what you think about the new channel mascot. That's kind of cool. The girls are going to love feeding this thing. Now, you got to be careful. They don't take your finger off, so I won't let the girls just straight up feed them. Maybe we'll get some tongs or something. We'll see what we can get them to eat. I've seen videos out there of turtles eating about everything. Fish, carrots, everything. So, with that being said, I think this is going to be a kind of cool little project we got here, making something for this turtle permanent. What do you guys think? Got any ideas? Leave me some comments down below. If you guys like this video, smash that like button. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. There's a little button you push right there. You click it, subscribe to my channel, and then you can click the little bell to give you notifications when I post new content. But you have to click the very top one that says all content. Click that, man, it means a lot to me. I appreciate every one of y'all. And please, please, please leave me a comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about the new turtle, what we should name it, what we should put it in. It ain't gonna hurt to keep it as a pet. It'll probably eat even better us having it as a pet, and it'll be a fun little thing for the kids and us to mess around with. All right, guys, hope you guys liked the video. Catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.